Hi everyone, welcome back to this channel. My name is Sheila Rusi and this is Heavenly Bride. For those who are joining us for the first time, this is where we prepare for coming earthly marriages and also for the coming of Christ. Today the Lord led me to give a quick word, and I'll title this message A Fresh Start or Clean Slate. Or I'll just say you're restored. So the Lord is saying that He is restoring someone in your life. He's restoring a relationship in your life that He ordained He Himself. But due to some reason, things did not go well at first. But He's saying that in this season, it's a right time, right now word, and I'll encourage you to take it to God. And if God has been speaking to you about how He's going to restore a relationship back in your life, this could be a romantic relationship. God is doing something new, and He's saying that He's giving you a chance again to restart this relationship. A lot has happened before this time. Maybe you've been wounded, but God has enabled you to get healed, or the other party is now healed at this point. And because this is God's will, He had an intention and He had a purpose for this relationship. The relationship will still go on, and He's offering you a new start. So I googled the meaning of clean slate, and this is what I found out. It's a state in which you're starting an activity or a process again, not considering what has happened in the past at all. So, as I had said, maybe you've been wounded. Something happened in this relationship with this same person before, and God is saying that it's now time to start to restart this relationship on a clean slate, like never nothing happened. So He's expecting that you will not consider whatever happened before. You will not judge this person, or you will not judge yourself if you're the one who did something wrong, or the other person. So the Lord is saying, be ready to forgive, be ready to let go of the past and start this relationship, this process. If you're maybe planning to get married, and God has revealed that you guys are supposed to settle in a kingdom marriage or a relationship, a marriage that will glorify His name. So the Lord is offering this chance, and this is an award. And He's even saying He already restored at this point spiritually. You're just waiting for manifestation here on earth. So He led me to the book of Isaiah, chapter 43, verse 18 to 19. And the Bible says, "Do not remember the former things, nor consider the things of old. Behold, I will do a new thing. Now it shall spring forth. Shall you not know it? I will even make a road in the wilderness and rivers in the desert." So this is an encouragement to whoever this is for. Take it to God. The Lord is saying, do not remember what happened between you and this person in the past season. He's doing a new thing through both of you, and it's springing forth. It's and now it shall actually spring forth. So may God bless you, and I decree and declare that this relationship is gonna be restored immediately. You've wasted time. Yeah, so some time has been wasted because something happened, but may God restore this relationship with speed, with divine speed, and may everything align according to God's will and for His glory. I pray that everything will work out, and I pray that you will not lean in your own understanding, that you'll be led by God even as you seek Him on the way forward concerning this relationship, on the instruction that He needs you to follow in this relationship. I pray that all will go well and you guys will settle maritally according to His word and for His glory and for His purposes. That's all for me today, and may God bless you and yours too. Bye.